Here's how to create a Fantasy Premier League account. So first, you can go ahead and install and open the application, or you can also use the official website that is premierleague.com or fantasypremierleague.com. Then click on sign in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a new page where you can go ahead and sign into your specific account. If you do not have an account yet, click on register now from the bottom of the screen. Now this will take you to the section of join my PL. Now, what you need to do is you need to enter the specific email address that you want to associate with your account. Besides that, you also have other different login methods. For example, logging in with your Google account directly, or your Apple ID, or your Twitter and Facebook account as well. But if you want to go ahead and manually do it, just enter your email address, click on join with email, then create a new password for your account. If you want to go ahead and enable the two-factor authentication, you can click on this click here button right here and then follow the on-screen instruction to set up. Then enter your first name, then enter your last name, also enter your date of birth, then select your gender, also select the country of residence, select your nationality, enter your postcode, and also enter your number, which is optional, and the postcode option and nationality is also optional. Then select your communication language preference. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions and click on create an account option. Now you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your specific Gmail account. Open your Gmail application, then copy the code that has been sent to you and paste it right here. Click on continue and your account has been successfully created. Now you can click on continue and you'll be logged into your specific that you just created. Now go through the on-screen instructions by following the clubs, select your favorite club, also select your favorite players, or you can also go ahead and search for them. Click on follow, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on finish. Now you'll be taken to the dashboard of Fantasy Premier League and you can access different settings and options from right here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.